Hi, I'm Ashley, the founder of Think Digital Business, and in this video I am going to teach you an Instagram marketing strategy for 2020. In order for me to help you achieve your goal, I will give you some useful tips to help you make your Instagram marketing strategy even better and even stronger. So if you're interested in transforming your business skills with Instagram, keep watching this video. Tip number 1. Define your Instagram marketing goals and purpose to be on the platform. As part of your Instagram marketing strategy, the first place to start with Instagram is to have a clear understanding of what goals you want to achieve for your business when you use Instagram. Here are some examples of Instagram business goals you may have. Are you interested in generating more leads for your business? Would you like to build a community? Do you want to build brand awareness, or do you want to increase your brand's visibility and reputation? Having social media goals is key to your marketing strategy. These goals will help you determine everything from your content strategy to how much time you spend on the platform. There is no right or single goal you have to commit to within your business. With that being said, your ROI from Instagram will boil down to what your goals are for your business. Let me give you a quick example. Many beauty brands will often focus on highlighting products while also building a community. They do this by constantly going back and forth with followers. You can also take the example of local brick and mortar businesses who will often focus on keeping customers in the loop on their latest promotions while also building relationships. You can also follow in the steps of some brands who simply use Instagram as a means to show off their team and go behind the scenes of their business. B2B brands like Zapier might not seem like they have much to gain from Instagram, but they manage to use their platform to show off their brand's human side. Check out the image on the right to see how they use Instagram to show off the brand's human side. One of the best things about using Instagram is the sheer amount of creative freedom available to you. Either way, your Instagram marketing strategy starts with your goals. I would highly recommend that you spend some time digging through Instagram yourself to help inspire your business strategy. You can do this by following some of your favorite brands. You can also follow some of your competitors too. Experiencing the platform as a user is the best way to understand how businesses and consumers interact with each other on Instagram. Tip number 2, optimize your Instagram profile so that it attracts your ideal target market. Here is some good news. In terms of setting up your profile, Instagram is fairly straightforward. However, there are a few small details to be aware of as you put together your profile. Now, before you worry about creating content for Instagram, you'll need to make sure you've ticked the following boxes. This will apply for both new profiles and brands looking to fine-tune their Instagram marketing strategy. You can convert to a business profile. You should make sure that you've switched your account to an Instagram business profile. By doing so, this will allow you to highlight additional information such as your industry, location, phone number, and email address as part of your Instagram bio. In addition, Instagram business profiles have access to analytics to help you see how your followers are interacting with your account. All of this data is key to helping you grow your business with Instagram. You will need to decide on your brand creatives. Although they are easy to overlook, your brand creatives are important to your overall Instagram marketing strategy, specifically your hashtags and bio. The process of creating a hashtag does not have to be complex. For example, most hashtags are either a brand's name or a slight variation on a brand's name. Here are some examples: Topshop, My Anthropology, and Skechers Style. The purpose of having a hashtag is to encourage more followers to tag your brand, and this will enable you to do the same. Hashtags will also serve you as a small call to action to encourage customer photos and stories. You will need to create a compelling Instagram bio. You have 150 characters to work with, however your Instagram bio is valuable real estate. This will be your brand's first impression with customers and potential followers who visit you. It will represent you with an opportunity to highlight what your brand is all about and encourage followers to take action. You also need to consider this. It's the only place where you can funnel Instagram traffic to your promotions or website. As part of your Instagram marketing strategy, you will need to make sure that your bio includes the following information to help you attract new clients to your business. Hashtags which are related to your business, some kind of call to action, something like check out the link below or tag your photos, and a trackable link to track the activity on your Instagram traffic. You can use tools such as Bitly, tap.bio or Linktree, which are all good options. Tip number 3, create compelling visual content for Instagram that your target customers will want to see. You will need to create good visual content that your target market will want to see. You will have several options in terms of what type of content to post on Instagram. I will now give you some specific Instagram marketing tips that showcase the types of content which will usually work well based on best practices. Although these aren't the only types of content you can publish, you can consider these types of posts to be the foundation of your Instagram marketing strategy. You'll need to use eye-popping visuals to get people's attention. Think of them as stylish snapshots. This is what put Instagram on the map. You should try and use photos featuring some sort of striking creative trademark, whether it be a stunning setting or bright colour scheme. These are the types of posts that get more likes and comments and engagement. You may not have the privilege of working in an industry that allows you to take exotic photos. Thankfully today, most modern smartphones have inbuilt features in them which will allow you to take compelling photos of just about anything you can think of. There are plenty of Instagram apps available today, which include filters and style options to set up your photos. Here are a few Instagram apps to help you produce must-see content. BeFunky, PicMonkey, Pictochart, Framatic, Squaresized, No Crop and Square, and the Instagram Layout. You should try and use people-centric photos. As you are using social media, this means you'll need to center your content strategy around people, specifically highlighting the humans who support your business. As an example, you can use generated content and customer photos, which are staples of Instagram. By sharing such snapshots, this allows you to show off your satisfied customers and put your products in a real-world setting. You can use video content to reach more people on Instagram. Video content is among the most popular and shared around social media, Instagram included. You don't need to be a professional videographer to do this. Many brands share bite-sized promos of big productions, and you can do the same. You can create video that sells with little more than a smartphone. You should bear in mind that video content on Instagram doesn't have to be like a traditional commercial. Vine-style looping videos and time-lapsed videos are insanely popular and can be put together in a matter of seconds by using third-party apps. You can also use Instagram Stories as part of your Instagram marketing content strategy. Brands are integrating stories into their Instagram strategies like never before. With Instagram Stories, Stories enables you to skip the line in your followers' feeds by putting your content at the front of their story queue. In addition to this, time-sensitive content taps into your customers' sense of FOMO, which is the fear of missing out. Instagram Stories is great for deals, company updates, or just plain playful content. You should try and use Instagram Stories as part of your content strategy on a daily basis with Instagram. So, if you would like further training on how to use Instagram to grow your business in video format, please do go and click the link below the video, or at the very least go through to our website where you can have a look at our Instagram marketing online training course. I recommend you study this course online because it will help you to be more prepared to grow your business in the most effective way with Instagram. The Instagram marketing training course is delivered in a step-by-step manner so it is perfect for people who have little or no experience with Instagram. Please check out the link below for more information. So now let me hand it over to you. Which technique from the video are you going to use first? You can let me know by leaving a comment in the section below the video right now. I hope you have enjoyed that. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments section below the video and I will be more than happy to help you and I will respond to those questions. Please don't forget to connect with us on Facebook, subscribe to the channel, thank you and give it a like. Thank you very much for watching this video and supporting the channel. I do very much appreciate it and wish you all the best for your Instagram marketing strategy. Have a brilliant day.